Yonkonsefo for Emwana, Okwa NPP amanyoko ni mu ampanifo makoma kudu and where you want to efre a year franca to the bre and wamanyoko ni mu ne mu bako Alan John Kojo Kyeremanten and Oguswan so from Mantemo ba prono den samo to jachese ono kwani nipa wo boni din se oba be ye franca tunia NDC amanyoko ni mpanifo ye mo hye wo monti osusu senko no when was delegate hwe no yi no no na mampagida da e de kobani
Onipa baako a owo NPP amanyoko nim na ohwe so manfo beto ne so aba amana beye okandini e de ama NPP amanyoko no eye Alan Kojo Kyeremanten na probo a obo a odi kopie mu e wo Volta Region no wode to delegate wo ho anim se wo mo ahwe ne modembo na kukuduro ne se ne omanfo anim no ne nim dia wo mo hwe sa ne mai na wo mo mfanto aba emfama no.
The people of the Volta Region have always been sending a message to NPP. Except that we are not hearing them. What Region has been saying, it's not that we don't like NPP. We like NPP, but bring the right candidate. Yeah. Volta has been saying this for a long time. If you bring Alan, Volta will now vote for NPP. Look, every serious person in NPP knows what I'm talking about. They know it.
Wasan editor delegate enim se sedo abato na womo enhwe se wono enkuto ana obetimi aboa edi NPP amanyoko nenim amankonimdie ayomodea ewo 2024 abato no.
In 2005-2006 I have been talking about this. We are in 2023. I provided funds to every constituency to start their own business so that they can make money every month. Not only to look after the constituency, but to pay allowances to executives. 2005-2006, I was talking about how to make the party financially strong by helping them to start their own business at the constituency level. 2006. So today, when somebody deceives you that, oh, Alan, he's just talking. How can you pay them? The businesses that NPP will be establishing will be stronger than what the government itself can establish.